What happened to you? Oh my goodness. You're colored. What is that? You think you should take a bath?
No.
You want to stay like this all day? Hey, how about your paper? You want to color your paper? I don't think we can ever paint again. You're so pretty. It's beautiful. Can you color your paper? Lila, paper. Right here. What's all over? You ready to go take a bath? Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? It's pretty.
No.
More paper? Here you go. You can grow out of paint. Here. Can you wave bye-bye with your paint? Bye! Thanks for painting with us today.